What up, everybody?
What up, FnAers?
Good to see you again, because once again, we have eggs.
Hell yeah.
Let's see what the daddy is. It is... There we go. Edgar, the Enchi Desert Ghost Boy.
He's been putting in some good work for us lately.
Yes, yes. He likes working. And then we put him to our visual ghost girl, which is also pet desert ghost. This is Gidget. She's got eggs for us.
Combining Hypo with DG.
Yes, yes. So, she's always been a little feisty, and she's already huffing and puffing. Hi, girl. I know.
Yeah, you just watch me.
It's okay. No, I know. You don't have to do no more work. We got the rest of it. You did the hard part. It's okay. Come on.
Seeing good eggs.
Come on,
Nice
girl.
ones.
I know.
This is the
I know
first
you're
time
not really
mama
a
as
people
well.
person anyway. She
Girl.
is definitely hollowed out.
Nice.
Good girls. And we're just going to go ahead and put her in here for now. And she'll be getting the spa treatment and brand new bedding and all the good stuff. And hopefully get her back on food as soon as possible.
Nice clutch for a first time mama.
Oh yeah, definitely.
She's got like the little specklies.
Right?
Nice though.
Go ahead and sanitize my hands. And separate them out. Ooh, they're kind of stuck to the bottom. Not really much to each other,
That's good. Yeah, those look nice.
but definitely seems like they're stuck to the bottom. I don't know
I
if
had one batch that was stuck real good to the bottom too. Hopefully,
Austin's little breathing trick is going to work on the bottom
you're
ones.
gonna have a hard time getting down there.
Right? I can feel them letting go just little bits by little bits, though.
That's good.
Yeah, just keep the rocking.
Yeah, it's usually don't really have to deal with that.
Right?
I wonder if she laid them like last night or something and
Right?
been sitting on them for a minute.
It's weird how the eggs aren't really stuck to each other, though.
Oh, right.
Huh. Come on. Oh,
Yeah.
there one popped off. Yeah, see, like they're coming apart from each other pretty
For
easy.
sure. That's good. At least you got that going for you.
Yeah, which is nice. Yeah, once you free them up from the bottom, they come off pretty easy.
There you go.
There we go. Woohoo!
Those are some nice wristbands you got there.
Well, thank you. It's a nice shirt, too.
Right? Shout out to Katie, Royal Genetic Reptiles.
And you want to kill the light, and I will try to find the light. And that's the wrong light. Over here. Here we go. Got it.
Need a marker too.
Yeah.
Here you go.
As well. Sweet.
Do you need me to kill the other light?
Maybe. Wait.
Just stay
No,
here.
there it is. There it is.
Maybe it's coming up there. Is that it?
I'm not seeing any jiggle. I think it's somewhere in this dark area. Is that it right there?
I don't think so.
I don't want to twist it around too many times the one way and not back around.
Huh.
Right? Huh.
Kind of think there, but it seems like a dark spot with a bunch of veins coming out of it. But
Like right here?
yeah, pretty much. See the dark spot I'm looking at right here?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can see what
that
you're talking
looked like
about now, I
jiggle too
think.
just
Right?
now.
I just saw that too.
Good job.
These ones are hard to tell. I keep blinding myself.
Yeah, you're right. These are hard to tell.
Right? Almost. I'm not seeing jiggling.
You know, so keep rotating it. Okay, there it is.
There it is. Damn, these ones are hard.
That's funny. I actually saw it like just to the left of that.
See it?
Oh, okay. Yep, you're right. You're right.
I just wanted confirmation too. 'Cause that definitely ain't always right. Oh, right there, I believe.
Oh, sweet.
I think I'm getting the eye for these hard ones. Ugh.
Right there.
Yep,
right on
yep.
top.
Get out of the way, thumb.
Yep. I actually saw that one through the camera.
Nice.
Yep, right there.
Huh.
Yeah, that was nice.
That was a lucky shot. All right, thanks, bye. We're not doing no press and seal.
Ah!
All right, you guys can watch me right on the struggle bus. Even though you didn't have to watch Fred and he broke the box last time. It was actually pretty humorous. We should have had it filming.
Yeah.
Whew, come on. I'm telling you, this is one of the hardest parts about snake breeding right here.
The little victories.
Right? I'll take them. All right.
Yeah. These will be hatching out beginning of August.
Right. And I believe that's it, right?
Yep. Tell your friends to subscribe. We're almost to 500.
Yeah. I was just gonna say that giveaway is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might get
Not
some
as nice
hypo.
as Key's giveaway though.
Right.
So yeah, thank you all for tuning in, and we appreciate you.
Right on, everybody.
Peace.